Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can create an invoice in Xero. A simple yet powerful way to bill your customers and keep your business organized. So first things first, log in to your Xero account. Once you are here, you will be prompted to the dashboard. So this is what it should look like. Let me show you how you can create an invoice in this section. Click the business menu, select invoices from the drop-down list to access the invoice overview page. Again, this is the invoices overview page. Now click the new invoice button. This opens a blank invoice form where you can start entering the details. By the way, you have another option where you can create an invoice. Click the plus sign on the upper right side portion, then click Invoice from the drop down, and again, you will see the blank invoice form. This is still the same as that of the previous procedure. On the contact portion or the customer's name portion, you may select or add a customer. Select the customer you want to invoice from your existing contacts here. Or you can add a new contact by clicking the Create a New Contact button here and enter their details. This time, let's take Bell Realty, an existing contact, here as your customer. Fill in the key information such as the invoice date, the due date. This will depend on the term provided. In this example, let's take the 30-day term. So due date is August 13, 2025. Invoice number, leave it as is, and the reference number if there is any. Please take note of the currency. In this case, it's an Australian dollar because the client is from Australia. And tax application, whether it's tax inclusive, tax exclusive, or no tax. In this case, it's tax inclusive. Now, under the line item column, enter the products or services being invoiced. You can select from the inventory of service items set up in Xero. However, in this example, you manually add the service under the description. For example, this is a photography service. Photography service because our client is serves photography services. Quantity is 1, unit price is 1,000, no discounts given. The account is classified as sales. This will depend on the account setup of your client. Others are using service income account, but in this case, this is sales. The tax due is auto-populated and the line total is here. Now check the details of the invoice against your supporting document. You can preview the invoice to ensure that all details are correct. Xero allows some customization of the invoice template, such as adding a logo and adjusting colors to match your brand. Once satisfied, you may click Save and Close or Submit for approval, or click Approve if given the authority. In this case, let's click Approve. Since this is approved, you can now send your email, send the invoice directly to your customers. Now Xero will mark the invoice as awaiting payment. And that's it. You have successfully created an invoice in Xero. I hope this video really helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.